Hi, this is Gloria Elwell with eXp Realty. I'm here at my latest listing at 1143 131st Street East in Bradenton, Florida, 34212. Beautiful, beautiful home, beautiful land with this home. It comes with 1.19 lush acres. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous front lawn. Have a large area here that you can make into a living, dining area. Have split floor plan, of course. This is the primary suite, luxury vinyl plank. Beautiful, beautiful place. You have the ensuite. Of course, the large soaking tub, a very deep shower, private water closet, huge, huge walk-in closet, and of course, what makes this place so special is the land and the pool. Right off your primary suite is your very own spa. Beautiful pool, just resurfaced. Everything's been rescreened. There's a newer roof on this house, put on in 2020. Pool pump's been replaced here recently, as well as the water heater and the air conditioner. So everything major has been done. It's just ready for you. Here you have this lovely kitchen, the little feed through to your covered lanai out there. All of the appliances are stainless. Beautiful stone backsplash. Beautiful stone counters throughout. Vaulted ceiling. Ceiling fans all over in this home. Beautiful pendant lighting to match. Gorgeous circular flow to this home. Come in from your two-car garage. You have laundry. You have this beautiful family room here with the seating, breakfast nook, work center, whatever you want to use it for. That is a wood-burning fireplace. You have the other two bedrooms, luxury vinyl plank, closet in the hall, second bathroom, third bedroom, luxury vinyl plank. There are no carpeted areas in this home. This throughout the main section of the home is all tile, so you don't have to worry about anything. Love that kitchen, oh my goodness. And I love the pool. Look at this. Now your lot here is 1.19 acres of just pristine Florida-scaped land. You do have a wealth of pineapples. And now you do also have out here beautiful plumeria and some jasmine. Wonderful, wonderful area here to entertain. You have your own fire pit. You have a screened little cupola. And it does have electric. You have area back there, shed, she shed, he shed, whoever's shed. It has electric, make it what you like. This southern boundary of the property goes way back from what you can see here. Okay? And it goes all the way back to Mill Creek. And behind Mill Creek is a pond. So there are no neighbors behind you. This is a very, very private setting here. So you can enjoy outside and inside every area of this property. Enjoy your pool, your spa, new roof on the place. Everything that needs to be done's been done. It's just a really gorgeous, gorgeous home. And I wish you'd come see it as soon as possible. You will just love this place. It's at 1143 131st Street East in Mill Creek, Bradenton, Florida, 34212. Come and enjoy. Give me a call, 941-592-9804, or a text 1143 to my number, 941-592-9804, and I'll be happy to text you back some info on this property. Have a blessed day.